Established in 1997 by Jeff and Norma Boucher, Flappers Bar and Grill has been serving the Mount Vernon area. Flappers has everything from live music and comedy shows to bike nights and fundraisers. They have a banquet room that holds up to 60 people. It's just the right size for rehearsal dinners, birthday and graduation parties, and anything in between. Flappers has great food from dinner, sandwiches, appetizers, and salads, including the famous Mazza salad. Flappers Bar and Grill on West High Street in Mount Vernon.